Hi guys! Welcome to Learn Japanese with M. Today we're going to cover days of the week. As usual, I'm going to include mnemonics to help you remember the vocabularies. So let's start. The first one is Sunday. 日曜日日曜日日 which is this word, means sun, the sun in Japanese. Sunday is 日曜日. On a Sunday, you decided to read Nietzsche's work, pondering about the meaning of life. Nietzsche, 日曜日日曜日 Nietzsche, 日曜日 So, have you remembered that 日曜日 is Sunday now? Let's move on. Monday. 月曜日月曜日月 which is this kanji, is also read as tsuki, tsuki, which means the moon in Japanese. Monday is 月曜日. On Mondays, in a lot of cultures, the work week and the school week starts. We always have the feeling that Mondays come and get you. Get you. 月曜日月曜日 get you. 月曜日 So Monday is 月曜日. Alright? Tuesday is 火曜日火曜日 Ka, which is expressed as this kanji, can also be read as hi, and hi means fire. On Tuesdays, you have high hopes to KO the week ahead of you, because you still have 4 working days ahead of you in the week to KO the tasks of the week. KO, KO, 火曜日火曜日 KO, 火曜日 Tuesday, 火曜日 Wednesday is 水曜日水曜日水, which is expressed as this kanji, can also be read as 水 水 is water in Japanese. 水曜日 Wednesday. On Wednesday, you decided to buy some sweets to cheer yourself up. Sweets, sweets, 水曜日水曜日 Sweets, 水曜日水曜日 Wednesday. Thursday is 木曜日木曜日 Moku, which is this kanji, can also be read as ki, and ki means wood or tree. 木曜日 Thursday. On Thursdays, you can only drink a glass of mocktail because it's still Thursday, not a Friday. You still have to go to work tomorrow. Thursdays, mocktails, mocktail, mock 曜日、木曜日。Thursday, 木曜日。For Friday, it's 金曜日、金曜日。金 in Japanese is written like this. Japanese kanji can also be read as kane, and it means gold. 金曜日 Friday. On Fridays, you are keen to go home for the weekend. Keen. 金曜日、金曜日、金曜日 Friday. Saturday is 土曜日、土曜日。Do, which is written like this in Japanese kanji, can also be read as 土、土, and it means soil. On Saturday, you played with your dog on 土曜日。Dog, dog, dog, 土曜日、土曜日、土曜日。Saturday. So now, let's revise on what we learned in this lesson. Sunday. You read Nietzsche to ponder about life. Nietzsche. 日曜日。Monday. 月曜日。Because Monday comes and gets you. 月曜日。Monday. Tuesday is 火曜日。火曜日。Because you decided to KO all the work in this week. KO, 火曜日。Wednesday is 水曜日。水曜日。On Wednesdays, you bought sweets to treat yourself. Sweets, 水曜日。On Thursday, you only drank mocktail instead of cocktail because it's still a 木曜日 instead of a Friday. 木曜日 Thursday. Friday 金曜日 金曜日 You were so keen to go home. Saturday 土曜日 On 土曜日 You went out to play with your dog. 土曜日 Saturday. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this with interesting mnemonics. See you soon!